Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to Schaumburg, Illinois. It's an example of a Bronco that came to us as a box of parts. The owner said, "Can you turn this box of parts into a finished vehicle?" We said absolutely yes. He had been with his restorer for 3 or 4 years. They couldn't get it across the line, so here we are. It's at the finish line. We repainted the vehicle from top to bottom. We gave it the Gateway Bronco treatment, and wow, this special color of green, it turned out pretty good. Let's go take a look inside. When the customer came to us with this vehicle and a box of parts, he said, please make sure that the interior gets the Gateway Bronco treatment. So what we have is a distressed chocolate leather. We have Alcantara headliner. We even have hair-on hide inserts. If you'd like to turn a dream like this, a box of parts, into a finished vehicle, please give us a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.